In this video, I'll demonstrate how to assemble your new Leto Studio Desk Workstation from Trojan Pro. Firstly, we need to assemble the legs. We have started with the left leg. For this section, you will require the parts labelled 1, 2, 6, 14 and 15, along with the fixings 8, 11, 12, 17 and the included Allen key, 18. Start by taking 15, the leg shelf connection bar, and place it into the slots halfway up parts 1 and 2, and fix in place using one bolt labelled 12 and a U-shaped locking bracket labelled 17. Make sure both sides are tight and secure using the Allen key. Take the leg connection bar short, labelled 14, and place it into the grooves at the top of parts 1 and 2. Fix in place using bolt 12 and a U-shaped locking bracket labelled 17. The next step is to attach the leg shelf, labelled 6. Attach the shelf using bolts 11 and washers 8. Insert these through the leg shelf connection bar and secure by tightening with the Allen key. Once you've completed these steps, you'll need to repeat them for the legs on the right side, using parts labelled 3, 4, 6, 14 and 15, along with fixings 8, 11, 12 and 17. This leaves you with the two leg sections assembled and you're ready to fasten them together. To do this, you will need fixings 9, 12 and 17, along with the middle leg connection bar 13 and the middle shelf connection bar 16. Take bar 13 and position it into the grooves on both leg sections and secure the parts using bolts 12 and washer 9 and the Allen key. Repeat this step for the rear sections using bar 16 and insert either end into these grooves, and once again secure the sections together using bolt 12, washer 9 and the Allen key. This leaves you with the main structure of the Leto Studio Desk Workstation. Next, we need to attach the middle shelf, labelled 7. This is for your monitor screen. We need fixings 8 and 11. Slide a flat washer, 8, over a bolt 11 and slot it through the bottom of the rear middle shelf connection bar and align it with the holes on the underside of the shelf and tighten, leaving you with a secure and safe place for your screen. We finally need to attach the main work surface. For this, you'll need fittings 8, 10 and 11. Position the desktop onto the structure that we have just assembled and line up the holes for the bolts. For the front two holes, you will need bolt 11 and washers 8. Insert these into the two front holes, tighten and then secure using the Allen key. For the remaining 8 holes in the work surface, you will need to use these little bolts, marked 10. This can be a little bit tricky if the top isn't positioned correctly, so make sure that all of the holes are lined up properly with the brackets. And that's it. Finally, we have a completed structure, and now you can enjoy your new Leto Studio Desk Workstation in your studio. If you have any more questions about assembling your Leto desk, don't hesitate to contact us at studiospares.com or sales@studiospares.com.